Just doing a front end fluid change on this John Deere here. Has about 300 hours on it. It's really nice. This front end fluid change is pretty simple. There's 3 drain plugs, the 2 lowers and 1 in the middle right there. You just drain the both. You just drain them, remove this little vent right there. It's an Allen key, and let it drain out. Pretty straightforward. Here's something badass, an XL80, a 70s XL80 with a 175 2-cylinder motor on it. Pretty sweet. By writing this will be my payment. For the oil change, getting to write this will be my payment.